Hello everyone! So if you want to enable your notifications from your Android smartphone on your HUAWEI Watch GT4, first of all, make sure that your HUAWEI Watch GT4 is connected to your HUAWEI Health application. So if not, do that. Now, we're to open up our Devices tab, choose our watch, and scroll down to your Notifications tab. Open it up, and so to enable our notifications from the phone, simply tap on the switch near the Notifications tab. When it glows with just orange, it means they are on. Also, you can mute notifications when you're in the phone, so if you would like that, simply tap on the switch, and here we've got the whole list of all the applications. And you can enable or disable notification for each one. For example, you want to have notification for Spotify and don't want to have your notification from WhatsApp. So simply tap on the switches, on the corresponding switches near them, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.